Welcome to another video. My name is Nick and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And here in the Transparent FX Academy, every day I share new free education and analysis. So make sure that you subscribe and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I will be speaking about USDJPY. As usual, first covering the technical aspect, then we will be checking what we have from a COT perspective, so what the biggest players in the market are doing, so the non-commercials, so hedge funds, etc. And by the end of the video, by using the combination of these different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Also, we just started the Black Friday month promotion. The link is in the description. It's never been this easy to join the Mentorship Program. You get a massive discount. And since we have partnered with the forex broker Blueberry Markets, you have the possibility to get a full refund of the program directly in your trading account. The link is in the description and I suggest you go and check it out. Let's start here our analysis. On the monthly, what do we see? Now, from a monthly perspective, we can see a pretty strong impulse to the upside. Now, in general, after an impulse, what you want to see is the market create a correction before then seeing more continuation to the upside. So what we can expect just by looking at the pattern side here on the monthly is short-term bearish price action before then longer-term continuation to the upside. Another important thing to check here on the monthly is that in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, you have to take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And we can see how the market has a 0.32, which is currently lining up at this area that we do expect this market to test before then getting rejected to the upside. So once again, as we have already said, we can expect short-term bearish price action before then longer-term continuation to the upside. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we have? Now here in the weekly, we can see a strong impulse to the upside, and at the moment the market has just printed this double top. First resistance here, again resistance here. At the moment, it's clear that we can expect more bearish price action before then a potential rejection to the upside. In fact, if the market here will start a new continuation to the downside, it would basically print this M pattern. And in general, after the creation of an M pattern, what you want to see is the market create a move to the upside to go and complete the pattern at least at the previous support turned resistance, which is the neckline also of the pattern itself. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments any suggestions for new videos. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we have? Now here in the daily, we can see how we did have a distribution phase inside of here. We wanted to see a rejection from this previous resistance turn support. The market gave us that, did not provide a higher high though, and just started this horizontal distribution phase. And at the moment, it seems like the market is finally managing to break below this support. But the way in which it's breaking it is also here on the daily by creating an M pattern, which combined with the M pattern that the market would create on the weekly time frame, if it actually prints this move to the downside, could easily lead to a short-term longing opportunity here back at this previous support, which at that point will be turned resistance. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing, we can see how lately net positions have been dropping massively. We just reached minus 102k net positions with 26,000 short positions added with the last report on the JPY, which obviously makes the JPY a weaker. So what we can expect here is for USDJPY, if it will manage to create this move to the downside, to easily be rejected to the upside, fueled by the weakness of the JPY. So if we will print here a nice move to the downside and create this M pattern, how we will be approaching this potential short-term longing opportunity here on USDJPY with students. Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best timeframes are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we will be doing is monitoring price actions from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we will have to an intraday bullish market, and only if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to an intraday bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries. At that point, we will be looking for a potential move to the upside with a good risk to reward and good probabilities for a potential completion at the neckline, which is this previous support turned resistance. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education analysis for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then you get a new daily market breakdown every day showing you how to apply the strategies in actual real market. And you also get your questions answered every single day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.